You want to go for a ride? You want to go for a ride? Let's go. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. How's it going, guys? Today we're gonna go check out the new wheels we just bought. So last week I was doing some driving in the back roads. I hadn't really noticed any issues with my wheels, with my tires specifically. But then I got completely dropped by a convertible yellow Mustang. So that was kind of the impetus for getting some new tires. Mine are definitely pretty bald, and I figured, well, if I'm going to get tires, I might as well get the rims I want too, since the rims I have on the Miata are kind of ugly. So I got some new rims. You guys will check those out in a minute. We got some new tires. You'll also see those very soon. I did have to ship them to my parents' house because my apartment's had some porch pirates going around recently, which is not fun. So just to make sure I get to keep my tires and wheels, I had them shipped over there. Today they got in. We're going to go over there, check them out, and then I won't get them installed today because I still need to find someone to do the install and the balance. I know the balance is really important on Miatas. So I figured I will find someone who does a good job. This is, I don't know if you guys have seen this yet, this is my Subaru, this is my Forester XT. Sally is her name. I'm going to take her over there. We got two dogs over here. We got Ella. Hi, Ella. And we got Lily. And they're just excited to go for a ride. So let's head on over to the other house and see those rims and tires, and hopefully they look good. All right, let's do it. Alright, check these out. We've got some brand new Continental Extreme Contact Sports. Now these are not 200 treadwear tires. They are 460 treadwear. Now there is no real standard, I mean treadwear is measured by the manufacturer. There's really no standardization of it. I had these on my old car, on my Boxster, when I used to have that. And these are good tires. They're obviously not going to be as sticky as something like an RE71, but they're also not going to wear out in 10,000 miles. So I figure it's kind of a nice trade-off if I want to do any kind of road trips with the Miata, which I would like to do in the future. I think these are going to be a good option. They supposedly have pretty good wet traction as well. I don't really drive it when it rains, so I don't think it really is going to matter, but you never know, right? If you drive through puddle or some sort of water on the road, might be helpful to have a little bit better traction. So I'm gonna give these a try. I was looking at a few other options, the Toyo Proxies. I was looking at the RE71R. I was looking at, what was I looking at? The Ventus RS something, R4S. But I ended up going with these. Hopefully they'll work out well. I mean, thankfully with 15-inch rims, it's a little bit cheaper to try out different tires than it would be for, 18-inch or a staggered setup. So this is going to be cool. I'm looking forward to these. What I'm more looking forward to, though, is this. That is my new rim setup. Now, the rims I have on the Miata right now, they're nice. They work. I mean, they're 15x8. Great. But I figured, if my tires are bald, which mine are on the Miata right now, I might as well, since I've been wanting to do this anyways, get new rims. So, like I said, I went ahead and did that, and I got some rims that I know are pretty popular, but I think they're going to look real good on the Miata. I also got something else in here, which I'm going to show you guys in a second. This is for one of the future projects on the Miata, but let's do these guys first. So let's open one, see what it looks like. Let's go ahead and find ourselves some sort of knife. Here we go. Let's move this guy for now. And let's see what we got in here. Alright. Doing this one-handed is not the easiest thing in the world, but we will manage. Oh yeah. What kind of milk is this? Oh yeah. Yeah, that's nice. So, as you guys can see, we went with the Avanti Storms. I know these are really popular wheels on the Miata. I was looking at other options, trying to be a little bit less like everyone else, but ultimately these just look awesome. I was kind of torn between these, the 6ULs, Koenig Wide Opens, NKRPF 1s, but ultimately these I think hit the sweet spot of price, look, weight, being tried and true, and man, these just look so good. I love the look of these. Got the bronze, which is an exclusive, I believe, to Goodwin Racing, so I got them from those guys over there. Shout out to Goodwin. And yeah, these just look awesome. Man, I cannot wait to get these guys wrapped up. These guys. That's gonna look nice. They are flow-formed wheels, which makes them lighter despite not being forged. Keeps the price down. I got these. Can't remember what I got them for, but they were on sale. There weren't many left. I believe there were 5 left, and I picked up 4 of those 5, so I don't know if Goodwin's going to restock anytime soon, but that's kind of also another reason why I went ahead and did the wheels along with the tires. I figured I'm not going to want to wait for the restock, and, well, I like the bronze, and they're exclusive to Goodwin. So, yeah, I mean, these are nice. These are 15x8s, as you can see. They are nice and shiny. I want the bronze. Yeah, man, I'm excited. This is the first time I've ever gotten new wheels for a car, new rims for a car. I've gotten cars with rims on them, you know, aftermarket rims, but I've never bought a set myself, so I'm really looking forward to this. Yeah, so now I just got to figure out who's going to install these. I know that balancing is really important for Miata, so I'm going to find someone who is, well, who's not Wheelworks, I think is really ultimately what I'm going to do. Someone who can do a good job balancing it on a road force machine. And that's about it for those for now. Obviously, we'll get back to these once we mount them on the car, give you guys some first impressions with the Contis right here. But before we sign off for today, let's actually check one more thing, which is what's in this box right here. This box has something that is going to play a role in kind of the direction that the Mazda goes in, that the Miata goes in. So let's go ahead and find my knife again, because I dropped it somewhere. Where'd I put it? There it is. Alright. I should probably not leave these on the side, because I know I'm going to knock it over. That won't be fun. Let's do that. Alright. Now, again, let's go ahead. Do some opening. Alright, so, what is in here? Well, I've probably mentioned this already on the channel, but I'm going to get the Miata repainted at some point. The Sunlight Silver, I think it looks nice, but I already have a silver car, and I want something a little more exciting. I don't know, something a little bit nicer. Some of the paint's faded. I am going to try to do something about that before I get it repainted. The repaint won't happen probably for at least a few months, if not a year or so. But I want to decide what color to paint it. I've kind of been torn on what color to paint it. Some of my friends have been saying, gotta go British Racing Green, which would look really nice. I've been kind of partial to a blue, but I can't really decide what shade of blue I like. So I was looking at the 10AE, the 10th anniversary edition Miatas. They came out in 1999, and they came with a really cool blue, the 10AE or Sapphire Mica blue, I believe is what it's called. And that's one of the blues that I'm kind of torn between. Now, I'm not sure if I showed you guys, I also have a broken side view mirror cover on the Miata. Previous owner plasti-dipped them and broke the mounting screws when he put them back on. It stays on there, but it rattles around. So I needed a new cover. So I was looking online, and I was actually very lucky to find I couldn't find just the cover, so I had to buy the whole power mirror, but whatever. So I was actually able to find one in Sapphire Blue Mica. Okay. Truck to go by. In Sapphire Blue Mica, which is the 10AE color. So, you know, it's always hard to kind of judge what a paint's going to look like on your car just from pictures online. Lighting has a lot to do with it. If there's any kind of post done on it, it's going to change the color. And I've been looking at different Miatas in Sapphire Blue Mica. I've also been looking at Laser Blue, which is another one of my options. That was a special order only color, which came on, I believe, the 2003 NBs, but you had to order it from the website. Apparently back then Miata was just starting, or not Miata, Mazda was just starting to try to do more online sales, and one of their ideas was to offer a color that was online only. And so as a result of that, being 2003, only I think 300 something Laser Blue Miatas were ever made. So that's another color I'm kind of thinking about. But I want to kind of get an idea of what it looks like in real life before I go ahead and spend a lot of money on painting the whole car that color. So I bought this mirror, which is in the Sapphire Blue Mica, and so I can figure out kind of what it looks like before committing to anything, and it also fixes my broken side view mirror. So, two birds, one stone. The birds did not like that, as you can hear. Alright, let's get this guy unwrapped. Oops. Here we go. There we go. There it is. Man, I don't know how well it's coming through on the camera. Obviously, again, that's kind of the problem I was talking about, is that cameras are going to change really the look. Let me try to get out in the sunlight here so we can get a more accurate lighting. Alright, so let's take a look at that. Get that focus. There we go. Alright. That is the Sapphire Blue Mica. That is a really pretty blue. I actually really like that. I'm starting to think this, along with those bronze storms, would look really good. There's more of a darker blue. I wouldn't say it's a navy blue. It's a blue. I don't know exactly what shade I'll classify it as, but it is really nice. I really do like this. Give me your opinions if you guys have seen some Laser Blue Miatas or any other blues on any other cars. I mean, it's a custom color, so I can really do whatever. You know, I'm going to get a custom paint job, so I can do whatever I want. But let me know what you guys think. Do you guys like this blue? Would this look nice with the storms in bronze? Or would you guys go with something else? I don't know. Well, anyways, that's about wraps it up for today. I'm going to get these installed as soon as I can, as soon as I find someone to do it well. And then I will show you guys what that looks like. So thank you guys for tuning in. Please drop me a sub if you haven't done so yet. I would really appreciate it to keep the channel going. And yeah, I'll catch you guys next time. Take it easy, everyone.